he got in a car accident where you get injured with the neck and everything, and so I'm going to show the rehab procedures that we use. This is the greatest neck exercise I think ever, because if the person can learn how to do it correctly, it helps your posture, it strengthens the actual muscles of the back of the neck. Basically, you can call it the core of the neck. You've been doing it for a while now, right?
Yeah.
These are making you feel better?
Yeah.
Cool. So show us how you're doing it. So what he's gonna do, he's gonna put his hands on the back of his head, keep the elbows there. So what do you do first?
Oh, first you put your elbows close on your head, and then you take
So he's
out
doing
your
it right.
chest.
There you go. You arch your chest first, right?
Yeah.
And then start looking up to the ceiling. There you go. And then what do you do with your elbows?
You widen them out.
Exactly. So do you feel a stretch in the front?
I feel
Front
like
of the
right
chest.
in the back. Oh, yeah, front of the chest. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a great exercise because it opens up the chest, it strengthens the muscles, it changes the posture. It's just awesome. And then you just bring it back down. And so you start in bad posture. Do it again. So you arch up. There you go. And then look up to the ceiling. And then bring it out. And that's it. So how many reps are you doing?
I think it was 16 a day.
16, yeah. Very
if I
good.
remember correctly.
Yeah. So if you like this exercise, give me a thumbs up. Go to the left side, subscribe to the channel. If you want to become a Patreon, you can do so. The advantage of becoming a Patreon is that you can ask a question. I'll make a video just for you.